Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini's Please Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to fry zucchini, eggplant and tomato in Szechuan sauce. As I told you, it's a very versatile sauce. It's in my channel. You can see how to make Szechuan sauce. So let's see how I'm doing it, and it came out very well. It's so delicious. For somebody who enjoys vegetarian dishes, this is one of really a great option for you. So let's see how I'm doing it. Here we go. We work with our ingredients: 1 onion, 1 zucchini, 1 eggplant and tomato. Cut them into small pieces like this. Here's my pot. I'm adding around 1.5 tablespoons full of oil. As it hot, add some mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds just started to pop up, add your onion. Let the onion cook in that oil for about 2 minutes before you adding your other ingredients. After 2 minutes, add your eggplant. And let eggplant and onion cook for another 2 minutes. And after 4 minutes altogether, we are going to add our zucchini. And now I'm going to add some turmeric powder, around 1/4 teaspoon. And mix well. Okay, now here I'm going to add some shrimp Szechuan sauce here. This Szechuan sauce, I have not added any shrimp paste. So this is anybody vegetarian can make the Szechuan sauce. You can see it in my channel without adding any shrimp paste. So you can use, but I have added lots of curry leaves here. So that's why I'm not adding any curry leaves separately in this dish. So mix all well and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3-4 minutes, we add around 1/2 cup of water. We don't need too much water in this dish because this will get cooked very quick. So now I'm just about to add my tomato here. And I'm adding a little bit of salt. So when you're adding salt, be careful because Szechuan sauce is also a salt added. So be careful when you're adding salt, please. So here is my tomato now. So mix it and let it cook for another few minutes until the sauce is nicely thickened. At this point, some people, they love to add some coconut milk, but I'm not going to add any coconut milk in this dish. I'm just going to finish it as it is like this. This is very delicious side dish for anything. So please give it a try. Very quick and simple recipe. And let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye. Again.